Hey guys, this is Seth Kniep, keeping it real. We are officially in New York City, Washington, Santa Monica, Shanghai, China, Austin, Texas. We're in Yuba right now. You guys need to see this.
I love being a member of Just One Dime.
The biggest key really is the group and the support.
It makes it easier that you have the same-minded people that are sharing the same goal.
Very first Just One Dime Life Conference.
Really made us think about our goals and where we want to be in the next few years.
You could just kind of give us new purpose.
What do you want your home work life to look like?
Other people want to collaborate with you. They want to speak to you. There's a positive nature to it.
It offered me the opportunity of a lifetime.
Working with Seth and Just One Dime, I've been able to sell almost $300,000.
It's the single most important decision I make for my business.
In that month, we've seen $1,000 in profit.
I make income while I sleep. I make income right now. I'm making money right now.
There's no way you and I are going to get through this life by ourselves.
Everybody that joined the group, they want to help each other.
When you have access to all these different people and experiences and knowledge and mistakes, and you can ask questions.
And no question is a dumb question.
I'm very happy to be a member of this group.
Because people are incredible. The most amazing women you will ever meet. To talk to Angus. I'm passing the mic to Ashley. Olivia is an amazing person. Hey, Lena.
You're getting real-time experiences from people that are making their livings all over the world.
I tell you what to do one step at a time.
Together as a group, as a team, to be strong.
We just go for it 100%, full steam ahead, and it works.
It's more freedom than I've ever had in my lifetime.
Just one decision changed my life forever.
You make us become warriors.
The coaching that the Just One Dime community has given us, it's really given us an optimistic look towards the future. You're not just part of a program, you're part of a powerful networking army. What will your future self thank you for?
This is what we are meant to do.
You can start with something as tiny as a single dime.